Okay, so next we need to add all the rest of the electronic components to the robot. You'll need basically all but one of the boards that came with the kit. Okay, so the kit actually comes with 3 of these RJ25 adapters. You only are going to need 2 of them. Okay. So you need those, the 2 motor controller boards, and then the Arduino controller, as well as all the wires, and then these black mounting pins, the white mounting pins, and then this acrylic mounting plate to hold the Arduino onto the chassis of the robot. All this comes with in the kit. You'll also need the last of the limit switches. You also need the limit switch along with the 2 wood screws, and then 2 of the M3 screws to mount the mounting plate onto the robot. And we will do that first. Okay, so the first step is to actually go ahead and mount the limit switch on the limit switch mount here. So it should be in this orientation with the slots facing this way, and then the limit switch is actually going to go right there, okay, just like that. And we'll just use the wood screws here to screw that in. Okay, so now that's ready to put on the robot. So the limit switch just goes right here. You want to shove 2 screws into this slot. So before you tighten it down, make sure that when the carriage comes to the end, it's going to hit it. Okay, so that looks good. There's one. So definitely don't just put 1 screw here, because if this pivots, that will affect the axes of the robot. You don't want that to happen. Now this is exactly where MakeBlock tells you to put the limit switch in the robot instruction manual. So actually, for all of these next steps, this is the standard instructions for the robot by and large. So you can sort of just follow the instructions as well.